the force experienced on the charged particle enters into the magnetic field. Okay, in that one we are studied 4 cases. The third case is very, very important. What is that one? The charged particle is entered perpendicular to the magnetic field. So it selects the which path? Circular path. In this circular path, radius is depends on the velocity. Means velocity is increases, radius is increases, or radius is increases, velocity is increases. This is occur when the charged particle is entered perpendicular to the magnetic field. In that one we have studied about one frequency that is called cyclotron frequency. The same word is used by scientist Lorentz, and he was designed one instrument. That instrument name is called cyclotron. Cyclotron is designed by scientist Lorentz. With the help of this instrument, he increases the velocity of charged particle by increasing the radius. How it is? Now we want to see. Cyclotron, a device is used to accelerate the positive charged particles like protons, deuterons, alpha particles is called cyclotron. Cyclotron is a device is used to accelerate the positive charged particles like protons, deuterons and alpha particles. Now, this instrument is designed by Lorentz. It has 4 main parts. It has 4 main parts. It consists mainly 4. What are that 4? 2 hollow D-shaped metallic chambers D1 and D2. This one. How it is looks like? Shape D or not? How many are there? 2. One is D1, another one is D2. D1, D2. This is the first one. D1 and D2 number 1. Number 2, high frequency oscillator. This one. High frequency oscillator. So what happened? Here we get first it here positive half. Here we get the negative half. Then after he can get here negative half. Here positive half. Means like this. But here like this. This is happened in high frequency oscillator. And the third one, strong magnets. This whole arrangement like this. This is again D1. This is D2. Both are taken in the strong magnets. It is this is D1, this is D2, north pole and south pole. Between D1 and D2 we take a strong magnets. Then after this is totally vacuum, nothing is exist. This is the design. Okay, O. From this the charged particle is entered. This is D1 like this. This is D2. Here a strong magnet. From O, the positive charged particle is entered. It is a positive charged particle. So, here you see radio frequency or high frequency oscillator. What we can get here? Positive half. What we can get here it is negative half. But this is which charge? Positive charge. This positive charge is repelled by D1 but attracted by D2. Initially the positive charge particle is repelled by D1, attracted by D2. Why here negative half, here positive half. That's why the charged particle is entered in this side. When it is entered in this side, but here strong magnets given the magnetic field. How the magnetic field? perpendicular to the path of the charged particle. When charged particle moves towards D2 by attraction of D2, by repulsion of D1, velocity little bit increase. Then after it moves perpendicular to the magnetic field, selects the circular path. Selects which path? Circular path. Okay, it selects the circular path. One half revolution is completed. Half revolution is completed. Now it becomes positive half, it becomes negative half. Initially what happened? Here positive half, it is negative half. That's why due to this negative half moves in this side. Positive half repelled. Now try to move in this direction, but strong magnetic field brings that into the circular path. When it is complete the half cycle, now it gets a negative half, it gets a positive half. Okay, after that it gets a positive half, it gets a negative charge. Second step, it is positive, so this is repelled. This ion is, this charged particle is repelled, and here negative half attracted. So moves within this side with increasing velocity, moves in this direction. Again magnetic field is there, selects the circular path. So positive charged particles ejects from O is attracted and repelled by high frequency oscillator in the vacuum chambers of D1 and D2 by selecting circular path. So in D1 and D2, per every half cycle, velocity of the charged particle is increasing by increasing the radius. Are you followed this one? Per every half cycle, radius is increases, velocity is increases. Here radius is increases, velocity is increases. Here radius is increases, velocity is increases. Radius increases, velocity increases. Radius increase, velocity increases per every half cycle. Okay, positive charged particle ejects from O. Ejects from O is attracted and repelled by high frequency oscillator in the vacuum chamber of D1 and D2 by selecting circular path. So in D1 and D2, per every half cycle, velocity of the charged particle is increasing by increasing the radius. Finally, charged particle ejected from vacuum chamber of D1 and D2 when it touches the target plate. Okay, per every half cycle velocity increases, radius increases and reaches the which one? Target plate. When it is touches the target plate, comes outside with a high velocity, with high energy. Which energy? Kinetic energy. So velocity of a charged particle, we know the equation. When charged particle is enter perpendicular magnetic field, what is that one? V is equal QB by M into R. We know the equation for kinetic energy, half mv square. Substitute V here, simplify them. Finally we get the kinetic energy of the charged particle in the cyclotron. And what is the equation for the kinetic energy of the charged particle in the cyclotron? Means kinetic energy Ke is equal to Q square B square R square by 2m. Now what is the use of this cyclotron? With the help of the cyclotron, we can prepare the new elements and which is used to treat the cancer patients. Now what are the uses? Now we want to discuss. Now I will write on the board. First you see that one. Now used for producing radioactive material for medical purpose. Main use of this medical purpose, that is diagnostics and treatment of chronic disease. Chronic diseases means it is used to producing radioactive material for medical purpose, that is diagnosis and treatment for the chronic disease like cancer. Next one, number 2, it is used to improve the quality, of solids by adding ions. Means we want to increase the quality of the solids by adding ions. Why? When the energy increases, enters and prepare the new materials. Next, third one, it is used to synthesize fresh substances. Now the fourth one, it is used to bombard. It is used to bombard the atoms with highly accelerated particle to study the nuclear reactions. Okay, these are the uses of the cyclotron. It is used for producing radioactive materials for medical purpose, that is diagnosis and treatment of chronic diseases like cancer. It is used to improve the quality of the solids by adding ions. When it is synthesized the fresh substances, it is used to bombard the atoms with highly accelerated particles to study the nuclear reactions. Okay, this is the use of the cyclotron.